What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before you start your e-commerce journey, I need you to watch this video because I'm going to go over all the pitfalls and all the trials and tribulations that you can bypass by just watching this video and what you should be looking out for before you spend a shit ton of money in inventory and basically, lose money on a credit line or whatever the case may be and completely set yourself up for financial failure. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So first things first, with anything e-commerce, you need to understand that there is so much competition right now. There's people doing private label, drop shipping, right? Which model is the best? Personally, I think private label is because you want to build a brand because one day you want to sell it because if it's predictable and makes money, people will buy it from you, okay? I just think right now that there's a lot of competition. You need to really focus on what is something that people obviously want at scale, but are not some drop shipped Chinese bullcrap. You need to actually build a product and brand it correctly, customize it in a way that it makes it different in the marketplace, okay? So one product that I've seen that I even bought myself was High Smile, okay? It's like a teeth whitening, but it's cheaper than you going to get a $600 teeth whitening thing, and it's DIY at home. You take this formula and you scrub it on your teeth like you would brush your teeth. So you do it after you brush your teeth and then you go after, and it helps you whiten your teeth within 60 days. So I've just started last week. So, and then they give you white strips. So you can put the white strips in at night, you wake up and your teeth look a lot better because my teeth, I drink a lot of coffee and shit over the years. So it really ruined just the way I want them to be whiter. That's really it. So I can smile better on camera. So with that being said, that product is crushing it because they have the right content on TikTok. They're shooting video ads in their lab, going over the product, going over results. It's good. And it's a lot cheaper than the other. So you got to think about what is this product that is different than what people are used to buying, that's a better price, better solution, faster results, and helps people obviously become a part of a community so that they can buy more in continuity. You don't just want to give people a one-off product that they can only buy once. You want something that people can buy consistently every 30, 60, or 90 days. You keep that MRR kicking in, okay? Either subscribe and save, or that the customer LTV is gonna be 4 times as much over a whole year basis. And that's where you can really churn more money in the e-commerce world. The second thing is you gotta find a product that is very high margined, that doesn't require a lot of startup capital to obviously formulate, doesn't require a lot of startup capital to obviously engage with, and there's not a lot of compliance with it. So a lot of edible stuff or energy drinks and all those other things, it's harder to sell those because they're lower ticket. And the second thing is that they're just a lot more FDA approvals and stuff like that. There's a very high barrier to entry there. So coming in lower, say for example, with some of the videos on my channel that I did where I took a hair oil brand from 0 to 150K in the first 30 days, hair oil is a good business to start. It's easy. If you find the right private label, they have good formulas, you sell with results, they're gonna keep buying every 30, 60, 90 days. It is a good model to keep pushing because people like to keep their hair exfoliated and growing, and they don't want to lose it because it's an insecurity thing. So you find that psychological and emotional trigger of why people buy that product, and you just keep the thing churning. And I still run that business organically right now. It doesn't make a crazy amount of money like it did when I did the whole challenge, but it still is cash flow. It works, and I can sell it probably in a year or two for maybe 50, 60 grand. So there's just a lot of businesses that right now are just not the best to get into, and e-com is very competitive, so that's why I'm giving you all these pointers right now. The third thing is you need a product that's obviously compliant for ad platforms. So a lot of people will sell something, let's say people get into CBD. You can't run ads for CBD on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's so hard to run CBD infused oils or CBD in general. You're gonna get banned. You need to find a product that can obviously run unpaid ads. So hair oil is a good example. It's just easier to run those products because they're more compliant. Some things in the beauty niche are hard to run, a lot of stuff with pimples or up close video ads where you're doing something up close. It's very hard to run ads for that. Skincare is fine, but just some beauty products are obviously on the edge, Botox stuff, that's not easy to run on paid ads. So you have to watch, you have to look at compliance, look at those ad platforms, actually read their policies and their terms of service and make sure that your product is within compliance so that you can run paid ads without worrying about having to get shut down. A lot of businesses right now are dealing with that to the point where they literally are losing money because their ad platforms got banned because their product is on the cusp of getting banned and being compliant, and now they can't scale again. Now they have to maybe, rework their offer and maybe their conversion rate will drop. So that brings you to number 4. Number 4 is you gotta find something that's lower than a pound, okay? So something that is cheaper shipping. You don't wanna be paying $8 to $10 shipping costs on products. You wanna keep between $4 and $6, keep that product below a pound so that you can obviously ship it with predictability and not have to deal with, higher shipping costs. Because as soon as that product goes over a pound, you start getting into higher shipping rates. Number 5, I would say is you have to pick and this is just from experience, is that a lot of people will make like a very simple Shopify theme, right? Or people will pick a certain platform. Like, you have to use Shopify. Don't go to WooCommerce or Samcart or Squarespace. Use Shopify. I see so many stores that are not making the money that they want because their integrations suck, the coding sucks, the theme sucks, the support sucks. Like, use Shopify. Don't use these other platforms. Stop trying to save a couple dollars a month to use a cheaper platform. Use Shopify. They have the best integrations, best customer service. And overall, it's just a lot sexier and it's cleaner. Also, there's a lot better high converting themes that you can buy on Shopify that are gonna guarantee your store's success if you have the right amount of traffic going to it. So all these other platforms, they have shitty themes, shitty integrations. It's very hard to scale a store unless you're on Shopify. And that's just like my personal opinion. Number 6 is make sure that once you prove that concept of the product with paid ads, you then move it to other platforms. So get it on Walmart, get it on Amazon, get it on AliExpress and all these other platforms, right? You want to get it on there so that you have multiple traffic sources that are organic, making you money on top of your paid. Because those organic sources, all that profit can go back into the paid and you can scale and make money off the LTV. That's something that a lot of people don't do. They only stay on, they're only running ads. They don't do anything else organically. Influencer campaigns. Amazon, Walmart, all these different kind of listings are going to allow you to get more organic traffic as well, more brand awareness. So those are the biggest things that I would look out for if you're getting into the e-com space. And also watch your margins. Make sure that that product that you're selling, because of heightened ad costs and obviously other costs in the business, make sure that you find a product between $35 and $75 to start with. But don't sell these like $20 pieces of shit products. You need something that's gonna have a good margin, gives you that room with ad spend so that you can obviously scale and have a good margin. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Appreciate you a lot. It helps us make more videos just like this to give you more value, to help you on your entrepreneur journey. So, hit the like, comment down below any questions you have. Maybe we'll make a future video out of it, and obviously subscribe. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.